The next most important part of our body, the organ, is our lungs. It also lies under the chest. Here are the picture of the lungs, and on the two sides of our chest. The lungs are also found in the chest. They help us to breathe. We will learn about it. So, the main function of the lungs is to breathe, and it is found inside the chest. The breathing system by which the lungs do will be taught later on in this chapter. After this, we come on to the stomach and the intestine. The stomach is found below the chest in the abdomen. It is like a bag. The food that you eat is taken to the stomach to be digested, broken down into smaller and simpler substances. The food is then taken to the intestine where digestion continues. So, the stomach and the intestine helps in the digestion of our whole food. It is below the chest in the abdomen. This is found. It is like a bag. Food we eat, we chew it in our mouth, and it goes gradually down and it fills up the stomach. There it is digested a little bit, and then from there it is pushed into the small intestine where the digestion continues. So that much is for the stomach and the intestine. After this, we come on to the liver, which is found by the side of the stomach. The liver is the largest internal organ. It is found to the right of the stomach. It produces juices that help us to digest the food. The liver digests the food. The liver produces the juice that digests the food. It is the largest internal organ, bigger than the stomach and the lungs also. And it is found on the right side of the stomach. Now children, you turn on to the next page. We go to page number 12 where we have the kidneys. They are a pair of bean-shaped organs found at the top of the abdomen and towards the back. They remove the waste from the blood and produce urine. See the picture by the side of it. Here are two bean-like black structures. They are the kidneys. And what do? They simply purify the blood. The bad blood carries the carbon dioxide and all the waste materials which after the digestion which the food is producing from the food which we get, all those are brought back to the kidneys and they are purified over here, and the purified blood goes back to the blood vessels, whereas the waste material goes out through the urinary as produced as the urine. So that much is about the kidneys, how they remove the waste materials from the blood.